how to add watermark in Canva. So first go to Canva and then for example open your design. So for example this is mine and I want to add a watermark to this. So what you can do is just hover and mouse over text and then click on add a text box. Then here you just need to type in your, let's say the name of your business. So let's say I'm going to type in how to mastery here, and then I'll just change the font. So let's say I'm going to change it to this one, and then I'll just make this bold. Then I'll just add this here. I'm going to make this a little bit smaller so it doesn't ruin the image too much, and then I'm just going to select the transparency here and then I'll just make this 50, and there you go. Now I have a watermark. Okay, so if you want to do this with a logo, you can do that as well. So let's go to elements here and then just pick a random logo here. So for example, this is my logo, right? And then I'll just put this here at the bottom, and then I'll just make the transparency a bit like this, and then there you go. So that's about it. If you found this video useful, please like and subscribe for more videos like this. See you in the next one.